How to change your Fiverr username. Hello guys and welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to show you how you can change your Fiverr username. Unfortunately, there's a bit of a sad news that you cannot exactly change your username, which is basically like your unique identity code that Fiverr uses to identify, and the way Fiverr algorithm works, it uses it to identify and differentiate between different users. But you have a good news. The fact is that you can change your display name, which is basically the name that is going to be displayed to other buyers and sellers about you. For that purpose, you'll have to click right here onto the right hand side edge top of the screen and click on profile. Now, once we navigate into our profile, you can see that your display name can be changed. This is my username, which cannot be changed at all. Unfortunately, this one. But I can change my display name. Currently, there is no display name. You can simply just change this up to whatever you like and simply save display name. They suggest you to add in an initial of your first name, and then your last name the last name that you want to add, it could be your services that you're providing. So the people, they can quickly navigate what your gig or what your Fiverr profile is all about. Now, to edit and have more access to all of the editing section, what you have to do is you have to simply click on become a seller. And once you do that, you can successfully polish and look after your profile, create your seller profile, add in better description and more of professional information. So guys, this is it for this video. If you find this video helpful, be sure to leave a like, comment down below, and also subscribe to our YouTube channel.